Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small Torx screwdriver. These will be essential for disassembling your Dyson V15. Start by unplugging the vacuum and turning it off. Next, remove the dustbin and filter to gain access to the motor compartment. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the casing. You will find several screws around the handle and at the base of the vacuum. Be sure to keep these screws organized as you proceed. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. After opening the casing, you will see the motor assembly. Disconnect the wiring harness by gently pulling the connector away from the motor. If you need assistance with the diagnosis of any issues, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, remove the screws holding the motor in place. These are typically Torx screws, so ensure you have the correct size. Carefully lift the motor out of the casing. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the area around the motor compartment. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust and debris that may have accumulated. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Place it in the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place. If you don't have the tools required for this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. Once the motor is securely in place, reassemble the casing by aligning it properly and fastening the screws. Be sure to check that all clips are secured as well to avoid any issues during operation. After everything is in place, reinsert the dustbin and filter. Before testing your vacuum, double-check that all screws are tight and that the casing is fully assembled without any gaps. Now, plug in your Dyson V15 and turn it on to ensure the motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, clean up your workspace, ensuring you have not left any tools or screws behind. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, there are no calls and no travel involved with our services, ensuring a hassle-free experience for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.